What kind of screen protector should I get for my phone? Flagship smartphone have a beautiful display. Should you cover them up with a screen protector? We break it down and explain the difference between PET, TPU, tempered glass, and nano liquid. Table of contents: having a big scratch on your phone is like having an uh, itch in your brain you just cannot reach. Plus it lower the resale value of the device. When you want to upgrade, a screen protector can keep the surface pristine, but buying one is more complicated than it should be. It's also worth asking if modern phones even need one anymore. Search for screen protector on Amazon and you shall likely be overwhelmed by the results. There are so many brands, types, and prices that it's enough to make your head spin. Thankfully, screen protector can generally be broken down into a few simple types, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. Do I really need a screen protector? The glass on your phone has gotten a lot more resistant since the days of the iPod. Corning Gorilla Glass will not scratch if you rub it with your keys or loose change, which is a big step forward. The iPhone ceramic shield screen, also from Corning, is supposed to be even tougher. It is not, however, unscratchable as some people believe. Take a look at my Google Pixel 2, for example. The scratches are not deep, but they are definitely there. Their scratches likely come from sand and the other particles with hard minerals in them. Quartz and topaz have a Mohs hardness rating of 7 and 8 respectively. Any object harder than your screen will scratch it. And while Corning has not officially released its glass most hardness rating, most testers have found it to be found it to lie between a 6 and 7. The highest value 10 is as hard as diamonds. So yes, your screen can still be scratched, and it's probably the sand in your pocket or bag that causing it. If you want to avoid scratching your phone screen, you shall need a screen protector. These stick-on screen covers are not perfect. They typically max out at around a 7 or 8 on the Mohs scale, which is slightly better than Gorilla Glass, but they allow you to pop your phone in your pocket without worrying. Best of all, if and when the protector gets scratched, you can easily replace it while keeping the actual screen in pristine condition for a later resale. However, which type of screen protector is best? Polyethylene terephthalate PET. PET is a type of plastic usually found on things like water bottles and food containers. PET screen protector provide the least amount of scratch and impact protection, but they are super cheap, light and thin, and as a result are less visible once applied to your phone. They also have a decently smooth feel, unlike the more durable but rubbery TPU. PET is also a bit stiff, so it cannot go edge to edge on phones with curved screen. If you want to go with PET, I recommend Tech Armor.